Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video I'll show you how to fix a setting needs review on Instagram. Now if you face this problem, quick fix for this will be simple. Come to your settings. Once you come to settings, come to app management. After coming to app management, come to the app list. Now in the app list, you do for me one thing. Go ahead and look for Instagram. So you have to wait until your app list is downloading and then wait for Instagram. So the app list is downloading. So here I'll just come and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram itself, then tap on storage and cache, then go ahead and clear cache and also clear the storage. After doing that, come to Google Play Store. Then you have to make sure that Instagram is running on the latest version. So you need to search for Instagram and then hit on this update button. And then once you do that, you'll have fixed that problem. Thanks for watching.